Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from Soak, Fizz, and Bubbles. This is their Lovapalooza Bath Bomb. Has a bunch of heart-shaped balloons on it. And this is one of their Valentine's Day releases. At the time I'm filming this, there's still some Valentine's bath bombs available. Hopefully it'll still be there when this video goes live, because they do sometimes sell out really quickly. And they have sold out of some of the ones that I've bought, but not all of them. If you want to keep informed on when they restock, you can enter your email address on their website and they will send you an email whenever they are about to go live. That way you can be one of the first people on the website. So this bath bomb has fragrance notes of raspberry lychee sorbet, sun-kissed magnolia, and vanilla sandalwood. I feel like I picked up on the magnolia and the sandalwood, and then there was like an overall sweetness to it as well. So it smelled pretty good. And of course, they are always very vibrant and colorful. So this one had blue and purple and yellow coming out of it. And when all those colors combined, it made a bright purple water. And the majority of their bath bombs do not have anything hidden inside, but some of them do. They do have some that have kids' toys and some jewelry. So make sure you check it out when you go to their website. And I also have a promo code. If it's your first time ordering, you could enter MITTS10, that's MITTS 10, and you get 10% off your first order. So I will have all that information in the description box below. So here's the last little bit. I ended up dunking it because sometimes it gives it a little bit of life, and it made it real bubbly. And then when I picked it up, you could see like dark blue coming out of it. So I returned that to the tub, and again, just that last little bit was pretty active. And then here's what the water looked like when everything was completely dissolved. So once again, if you'd like to try anything from this company, I have all their information in the description box below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.